H2x's three-dimensional view is a game changer for plumbing and mechanical engineering design. That's right, folks. Now located in the top left-hand corner is the button that lets you instantly explore your full design in 3D, including pipes, ducts, plant, and building elements like walls and windows. Spot coordination issues early, fix clashes before exporting to Revit, and keep your calculations up to date as the design evolves. And just by clicking on something in three-dimensional view, H2x will instantly bring you to that piece of equipment in the two-dimensional view, which makes it easy to access, edit, and update. You can also customize what elements you'd like to view inside the 3D mode, from different floor plans to different workflows, and even animated arrows that demonstrate the flow of your system. You can even put these 3D renders directly onto your PDF drawing sets, displaying with clear comprehension the dimensions of the design. Try it for yourself right now through H2x. If you'd like to optimize your workflow with H2x, head to our website and book a one-to-one free demonstration with one of our specialists, and sign up for a free trial. But if H2x isn't just for you, we also offer large-scale implementation plans for entire teams of consultants.